my name is Ben. I work for Ventol. I've been in the warehouse today installing Inceptor U-Lites and ClickFlow materials onto the job. I've installed metal clad click sockets. The 20mm knockouts on all sides and the base was easy to install my conduit into. The galv coating make the socket more durable, and in the warehouse environment I'm in, the forklifts and pallet trucks, if they knock into them, then it's not a problem because the sockets will still work and they'll still maintain the shape. We're going to install the ClickFlow units to go with the Inceptor U-Lites. Now, these come with a little window at the front that you can pop open for easy installation. So I'm going to install this now and see how it goes. As easy as that. After the metal clad installation, I installed Inceptor U-Lites. They come in 4 foot, 5 foot and 6 foot, which makes it easier to find the right light fitting for the right space. So for this installation, we just prepped fitting on the floor because with the ClickFlow plugs, it's easy to do it. I've also put the metal hangers on the back, and we're going to install up to some chain and just hang it basically and then plug it in. So here we go. They also come with a microwave sensor version, an emergency version, corridor function version and self-test version. The IP65 rating means that they are good for indoor and outdoor use. The 5-year warranty gives the customer a peace of mind, and the 50,000 hour lifespan makes sure that the lights won't go out for a long time. The detachable diffuser and gear tray assembly, with addition to the multiple terminal block mounting options, means that they are easy to install and give you no problems during the installation. The metal clad double sockets that we've installed today, along with the Inceptor U-Lites, have been a great success in today's installation. They only took 15 minutes to install, and I would highly recommend them to my colleagues and anyone else that wants to hear about them.